In a world moving towards sustainability and all-electric solutions, Dometic has emerged as a leader in providing high-quality custom solutions to fulfill this growing need. Our products undergo stringent in-house testing and validation to ensure the highest quality standards, exceeding even the most demanding regulatory requirements. Dometic solutions are perfect for replacing hydraulic and pneumatic actuators for applications requiring improved control and reliability with less downtime and energy consumption. Roller screw technology lies at the core of our electric actuator products. Roller screws convert rotary motion into precise linear motion. Unlike traditional screws, roller screws use rolling motion instead of sliding motion, significantly reducing friction and heat for a more efficient and robust mechanism. Roller screws offer several advantages over other screw technologies, including ball screws. With an increased number of contact points, roller screws have significantly higher dynamic load capacity and tolerance to shock loads. Dometic specializes in designing customized, cost-effective roller screws tailored to your specific application. Dometic's unique inverted planetary design ensures up to 10 times longer life compared to some competitors, resulting in a virtually maintenance-free final product. Our brushless DC motors can be designed to integrate directly into our actuation solutions, maximizing performance while eliminating additional components including bearings, mechanical shafts, and couplings. Additionally, our motors can be designed to integrate sensors for position or torque control while minimizing operational noise. These innovations reduce possible points of failure while optimizing performance. Dometic's electromagnetic brakes provide superior performance, ensuring the safety and reliability of our actuators. Our brakes can be automatically activated in the event of power loss, preventing backdriving of overrunning loads. Their design can support high torque loads with little to no backlash while providing a high actuation life. Dometic can also design and supply integrated control units for seamless integration in your specific application. Our custom solutions are suitable for a diverse range of industries, including marine, aviation, aerospace, industrial, oil and gas, entertainment, forestry, military, manufacturing, and food and beverage. Engineered to meet the most demanding applications, Dometic is ready to meet your product challenges today.